Hello, my name is Jackson Anderson, and this is my ePortfolio. The introduction is mainly just to explain that this is my blog, and the main point of this blog is for my class about current tech, but it also, some of the other posts in the blog express my opinions and also some facts about new current tech topics that are beginning to be more and more important as we evolve into a more tech-based society. And the main point of this post specifically is to explain a little bit about myself. Of course, it's my portfolio and some of the things I plan to do in the future and just how I want to be in the future and later in my life. So a little bit about me. My name is Jackson Anderson. I grew up in Tennessee and then made later moved to Florida. At the moment, I attend the University of South Florida, where I study biology with a focus on animal biology. I'm currently 19 years old, 2 months from 20, and a sophomore in college, and I'm still focusing on my studies and continuing down the path of biology to hopefully get some type of job later in life that has a focus on animal nature, whether it be specific to one or multiple. It doesn't really bother me. I just want to be outside, really. In my resume, I have experience with working mainly fast food and restaurant type jobs. My education right now is, of course, still in college, getting my bachelor's in biology. And some of my skills include just good work attitude, good at talking to people. I'm really used to that type of work where I have to work with a customer and also other people. And some sample of my work is I've been in many biology classes, of course, so far, since that is my main focus in school. And also with that experience, I've done a lot of biology labs and other types of labs like chemistry, which is big in the field because it teaches me how to use a lot of this lab equipment and really how to be able to do these experiments that I might have to do later in life to test different things that might be important, such as like bacteria and things like that. And yeah, I think that's really it for my portfolio. Thank you for joining me.